The first of all, I would like to pay high respect to the teachers and everyone. My name is Pan Yang Ko. Today, I'm going to tell you a topic about Toby the little turtle. Once upon a time, there was a little turtle named Toby. Toby lived in a cool blue pond with his friend, the frog and the fish. Toby was a happy turtle, but he was very slow. When the frog hopped fast and the fish swam quickly, Toby always came last. One day a butterfly flew by and said, "Hello, Toby. Why are you so slow?" Toby smiled and said, "That's okay. I may slow, but I always get where I'm going." The butterfly laughed and flew away. But when the sun went down, the butterfly couldn't find her home. She was lost. Toby saw her crying and said, "Don't worry, I will help you." Step by step, Toby walked carefully through the grass until they found her flower home. The butterfly was so happy. "Thank you, Toby. You may be slow, but you are kind and strong," she said. Toby smiled proudly. From that day, everyone called him Toby the Brave Turtle. Thank you, everyone, for listening to me.